Welcome back to another coding problem breakdown. Today, we are tackling a classic problem often used to test your understanding of data structures: finding the longest word in a dictionary that can be built incrementally. Here is the problem statement. We are given a list of words. Our goal is to find the single longest word from this list with a special property. Every prefix of the word must also be a valid word present in the same list. For example, if world is the answer, then w, wo, were, and whirl must all exist in the dictionary. Let's visualize this requirement. A valid word is like a chain where every link is a word itself. Apply is valid because app and app are in the list. However, banana is invalid here because the intermediate prefix ba is missing from our dictionary. The chain is broken, so banana cannot be our answer. You might think of using a hash set to check every prefix, but that can be slow. A better approach is using a trie, also known as a prefix tree. Tries naturally group words with common beginnings, allowing us to traverse character by character and efficiently check if a path consists entirely of valid words. In our trie, every node represents a character. Key to this problem is the isEnd flag, or storing the word itself at the node. This flag tells us if the character sequence ending at this node is a valid word in our dictionary, which is crucial for our all prefixes must be words rule. First, we insert all our dictionary words into the trie. Notice how app and apple share the same path. We mark the nodes ending app, and apple as valid endpoints. Nodes like b might be valid, but if ba isn't in the list, its node won't be marked as an end, stopping any path going through it. Once the trie is built, we perform a depth-first search starting from the root. We only move to a child node if it is marked as an end of word. This ensures we are only building upon valid prefixes. We keep traversing as deep as possible, tracking the longest path we find. What if we find two words of the same maximum length? The problem usually requires the lexicographically smallest one. For instance, if apple and apply are both valid and the longest, we choose apple because E comes before Y alphabetically. This approach is very efficient. The time complexity is proportional to the sum of the lengths of all words as we process each character to build the trie and traverse it. The space complexity is similar as we store these characters in our trie structure. To wrap up, use a trie to organize your dictionary. Mark the end of every word. Use depth-first search to explore paths where every step is a valid word. And remember to handle the lexicographical tiebreaker. This method ensures an optimal solution.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.